Good day everyone, I'm Christine Rose P. Porcel from BSIT3F. So number 1, retrieve all primary products from the database and organize them based on size. Para ma-retrieve ng primary products from the database at ma-organize sila based on size, kailangan mo muna i-select ang product name at size galing sa product cart na table. Tapos, gumamit ako ng in operator para ma-select ang columns ng C_ID galing sa product cart. And then, gumamit ako ng group by statement para pagsama-samahin yung mga product name. At order by naman para ma-sort yung product name at size. Number 2. Obtain products set to expire in August from the product table. Para makuha ang mga products na may expire sa August from the product table, una, sinelect ko lahat galing product kung saan yung month na mag-expire sa August, which is number 8. So, ayan. Number 3. Calculate the total sales from the product cart table, including product name, size, and quantity. Para makalculate ang total sales galing sa product cart table na ilalabas kasama ang product name, size, and quantity. Una, select the product name, size, and sum yung product quantities and then multiply by total. Ginamit ko ang AS statement to give a column a temporary name na total. I select all those values from the product cart and then I use group by statement para magsama-sama ang total ng product name at size. Number 4. Retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. Para ma-retrieve lahat ng records from the sales table and para mag-group sila by date, una, sinelect ko yung date and I use AS statement para sa sales date. And then, gumamit ako ng count statement para mabilang lahat. And then, gumamit ako ulit ng AS para sa number of sales. And then, group by para sa date. And lastly, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. Para matotal yung entries galing sa product cart table, naglagay ako ng count statement sa product cart table para mabilang yung entries na nakalagay sa loob, and AS for temporary name para sa number of entries. That's all. Thank you!